With feed prices on the rise, we figured we'd go get us a load of corn and make our own feed.
Finn, welcome back to our channel. My name's Garrett. Going after corn to make our own hog feed. That's fun to me. Don't last today. It's warmed up. I just now got back from my dad's. We're already having fun. Frank's grown since you've seen. Grown a lot. He's chubby like me, and Dinky, and Jason, and Tanner.
Pick up.
Here you go.
What do you think about him, boys?
He's getting big. Yeah, chubby. Look what I did. There's a pocket.
We had to clean out the corn crib before we went after the corn.
Gonna make our own hot feed. Feed prices are going up. We're gonna make our own hog feed. We're gonna mix it and grind it. It sure was easy loading it with the elevator. It sure was.
Hack Garrett and Farmer Finn sure are good helpers.
Break. Tanner, you can take a break.
Okay, thank you.
So you can you gotta take the shovel out.
I do.
Yeah, if you want to take a break.
Is it kind of your way, Finn?
Yeah, it's really in my way.
Sorry about that, Farmer Finn. I want to slow you down. Watch him work. Watch him go. With good help like we got here, it didn't take long to unload the corn.
All this hard work is making me want supper. I'm taking this corn so Tanner can shovel it. Going down here, lucky knob.
So, Garrett, what's your favorite part about farming?
Feeding animals.
Finn, what's your favorite part?
About feeding my bottle calves.
Oh, is that it?
Making our own hog feed. Having a lot of fun on the farm. We've been to the grocery store for the hogs.
Stay tuned. We'll be grinding and mixing feed here in the next few days. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.